everyone, this is Julie and welcome to my channel's Julie's Journey. For today's video guys, I'm going to make a steamed egg with ham and crab meat stick, a crab meat stick, something like that. So now guys, I'm going to use 2 eggs. So break 2 eggs into a bowl. And then we have to stir or beat the egg first. Just beat it slowly, yeah, like this. You can also, I don't know, I prefer to use chopsticks, but yeah, fork or anything, I think it's okay. I just love to use chopsticks to stir the egg. And then now we are going to add a black pepper powder, should be a powder. Para hindi siya, pag inulam na siya, hindi siya masyadong malalasahan. So it should be a powder or black pepper powder or white pepper powder. And also iodized salt. Any salt, I think it's okay, doesn't matter. Just a bit guys, because I'm still going to use chicken broth later or chicken stock. And also I used a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, to balance the taste from the salt. Yeah, and stir it. So now we are going to add the ham and the crab meat. Ayan. Actually, it's not really a crab meat guys. I don't know how to say. There's correct term for that. I can't say it. I don't know. I forgot how to say. So this is the chicken broth or chicken stock. Yeah. So now guys, I have, this is a warm water. We should use a warm water. And then I just add the chicken broth here. This is a total of 3/4 cup of water. So then mix it thoroughly. So we have to, you have to beat it again or stir it again to make sure to all mix thoroughly. So just add the water little by little guys, and then occasionally stir. While you keep stirring or beat the egg, you also add the water slowly. Ayan, so okayin lang na okayin hanggang ma-mix na siya. Ayan, so okayin na okayin. So yun nga pala guys, yung mga Chinese talaga, mahilig silang mag-steam fish, steam eggs, steam pork, something like that. Parang healthy yan guys, hindi mo na kailangan ng hindi na kailangan ng oil. So maglagay din tayo ng, optional lang po yung guys, optional lang po yung spring onions or green onions. So nasa sa inyo lang kung gusto niyo maglagay niyan. Pang padagdag lasa din yan. So yeah, so mix lang natin mabuti. I think this is ready guys. So, ayan, isali na dito sa mas malaking bowl or plate. So, kahit anong steamer plate, guys, pwede yan. Ayan. So, isaling natin lahat dyan. And then, isasalang na natin dito guys. Ilagay natin dyan sa loob. So, i-steam natin to guys. We're going to steam this for about 20 minutes. Or medium high, medium. So, ayan. So, tatakpan natin yan. And now guys, I think this is ready. Luto na siya guys. So, i-ahon natin ng chopstick. O yan, walang dumikit. So, this is already done. Actually, madali lang naman maluto yung egg, guys. So, kung mag-steam kayo ng egg guys, marami kayong pwedeng ilagay. Like yung tawag dito. So, ito na siya guys. Luto na siya. Ready to eat na. This is a healthy. Gustong-gusto ito ng mga bata guys. Magandang ibigay ito sa mga bata. Healthy siya. At mas malasa din siya. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us all. Bye-bye! So, try natin guys. Tikman natin. Wow! Masarap na masarap siya guys. As in, gustong-gusto ito ng mga bata. Kaya subukan nyo guys. Mga hindi pa nakalam dyan, subukan nyo.